Hey guys, Tap from Custom Computer Channel here again, back with another video. And today, I have a bunch of keycaps here in a box. No, I did not buy these. These came off my existing Black Widow Chroma Tournament mechanical keyboard because this thing was looking filthy as hell, and it bugged the fuck out of me. So when I bought this 6 months ago, back when I first came back from Denmark, I had a feeling by buying a mechanical keyboard was going to bring me some issues. We'll talk about that later. But I knew when buying a mechanical keyboard there was going to be some issues brought into my work area and shit like that. So with that in mind, I proceeded anyway and bought this mechanical keyboard. It was cheap. It was only $90. I know there was better options, but I liked Razer's keyboards. I liked the feel of these switches specifically. I've tried out other mechanical keyboards. I found this to be the best for me. But honestly, I'm kind of leaning more towards now the newer Corsair keyboards. But for now, I'm using this, and I'm actually going to be getting new keycaps at some point. I'm going to be buying the Corsair white keycaps and a special keycap type for up here and probably over here. That's gonna be expensive as fuck, but I am well aware of that. So all right here on this plastic, all along here, all this like matte, really weird finishing plastic was starting to get weird spots on it. If I can find any here, which I am not. No, but there was some weird specks. Hold on, give me a sec here. Yeah, don't need this weight. Shit. There was a bunch of weird ass specks all over the black on the keycaps. There's dust in between the keycaps. There was so much shit on this white backplate here. It was driving me nuts. So I decided I'm gonna just pop off a keycap, see what's inside. I was disgusted. And I went and cleaned all these keycaps, so I'm gonna try and attempt to put them all back in to the best of my ability. I'm gonna go find myself a tripod and do a time lapse. So hopefully from that time lapse, I put all the keys back on the keyboard. I thought I didn't have them all. I thought I lost like a one or two, but it's all good. Funny thing is, I actually got the V and the down arrow mixed up on my keyboard, which was kind of funny. Also, I actually used this picture here for reference, so did that. But yeah, that's my keyboard. Honestly right now, it looks just as clean, slightly dirty still, as when I first bought it. But back to the point of this video. I knew when buying this I was going to be facing some issues, and I was expecting that. I knew that was going to happen, and so I bought the keyboard anyway. Now, I'm not saying don't buy mechanical keyboards. I actually do encourage it. Mechanical keyboards are really fun. I mean, I'm actually gonna unplug real quick so I don't accidentally click something. Like with mechanical keyboards, I just like the clicky feel, and that's a turn off. You can actually fix that. I like how I like how much you can do with a mechanical keyboard than you can do, say, with a chiclet or a membrane, which I have a few down there. But with this one, it is perfect. I love this keyboard. And I knew I was going to be having some issues, and yeah, I was cleaning it today. I actually threw all these keycaps, threw them into a bucket of water, swished them around. And yeah, and also, yeah, there is going to be, this is still on the top here. There's still, it's fingerprint hell. But I might look into getting a new one at some point, but right now, this is my main. She's my bitch. I hope there was no water in those, because some of these actually did have a lot of water. As you saw, I was banging them on my knee. You can kind of see my pants is actually a bit wet. Well, because as I was banging them, like all the wet spots here, like this right here, that all the water was coming out and onto this fabric. I tried on my hands, but it didn't really work because the water had nowhere else to go. But with the pant leg here, because there's like so many little holes here, it can pass through this and get absorbed into the pants, which was actually pretty ideal. So hope you'll actually enjoy this little video today. I know I don't upload on this channel much because I don't do too much tech related videos. I will be making a video about that shortly. Some point after March 5th, I will make a video on it. But thank you all for watching. Like, please consider subscribe to the channel for more videos in the future, and please have a good day.